Hey gorgeous, thanks for coming. So when I have a ton of fallout, I try to get a plain cotton ball and a dewdrop of moisturizer, because the moisturizer that I'm using has a little bit of mineral oil in it. It will actually clean up the area really nicely. I'm just spreading that across the cotton ball. And you can see cleaning up all that fallout. So that is so much more cooling and so much more gentle on your face than a lot of facial products. If I have fallout, that is my preferred go-to method. Ton of fallout. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you're enjoying my work. I really appreciate it. Sure, I can't force you to, but it would be awesome if you did.